Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer N19H2. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Acer N19H2 won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a faulty power supply or internal component failure. If left unattended, it could lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and expensive. To perform this repair, you will need a set of precision screwdrivers, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement power supply if necessary. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by carefully removing the back cover using the plastic opening tool, taking care to gently pry it open to avoid damaging the clips. Once the cover is off, check for any visible signs of damage around the power supply area. The most common failure point is the power connector. You can locate it easily, as it will be connected to the battery. If you notice any loose connections or burnt components, this is likely the issue. To replace the faulty component, unscrew the connector using the precision screwdriver, applying gentle force to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screws are removed, gently disconnect any cables attached to the power supply. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After removing the old component, take your replacement part and connect it, ensuring all cables are securely attached. Be cautious not to pinch any wires while reassembling. With everything replaced, it's time to reattach the back cover, ensuring it clicks into place properly. Power on your device to verify that it functions correctly. If the screen lights up, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this problem from occurring in the future, ensure regular maintenance of your device, avoid using it in overly dusty or humid environments, and always use the correct power adapter. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.